Axis Shield Unity. Could have been different under the turret. Oh!
Finds it and punctures Yoji out of there. Crown falls to King Kong.
Ito na ba yung last lord na inaantay nila? Pero napatay na si Nancy. Naging natin ngayon si Kirk. Napatay na rin ni Sada. Hinahabol ngayon si King Kong. Pero patay pa rin si Gosen. At nabaliktad pa nga ang laban ng mga world champs. Triple kill para sa The Beast. Gawin mo na nga yatang Maniac. Mawawala na immortality.
Now they're gonna go for it.
Penalty zone this time for Lord J. Will connect with Spider Miles. Answers right back with a Manila Fury. Here comes the Nether Rock coming in from Haji. There's a kill onto Blacklist. King Kong with a first forward.